morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about adverbs. See, what are adverbs? That tells the quality of a verb. And what are verbs? Action doing words are known as verbs. Suppose I'm just saying you that I'm writing. This is only verb. अगर देखें तो it's writing. But if I'm saying you I'm writing neatly, तो वो writing की quality बता दी उसने neatly. So what is neatly? Neatly is an adverb, right? So let's just begin with this. So the title of our chapter is adverb, right? How do you do your homework? Tick correctly, right? This is happily or sadly. Of course, कुछ बच्चों के लिए happily होगा, कुछ बच्चों के लिए sadly होगा. I am not marking any of the options because it is totally dependent on all of your opinions, right? So adverbs are those words that tells more about verb, जो verb के बारे में ज़्यादा बताते हैं. Adverb can tell कि कहाँ पे, when, where and how एक action कैसे हुआ है, right? So you just read the following sentences. The horse run fast. Horse run तो करता है but कैसे करता है? Fast. Aman is eating sandwich hungrily. Aman जो है sandwich खा रहा है hungrily, बहुत ही भूखे तरीकों से. They play football daily. वो फुटबॉल तो खेलते हैं लेकिन रोजाना. This daily is what? This is an adverb. तो above sentence में जो colored words हैं जैसे कि fast, hungrily, daily, it tells us that how these actions have been done. ये कैसे हुए हैं and hence they are adverbs, right? So thus we can say the words which add something to the meaning of a verb, इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Adverb बोलते हैं. जैसे adverb of manner are usually, आप ly उस पे लगा दीजिए. जैसे brave का bravely, wise का wisely, strong का strongly, right? ily लगाते हैं उन adjectives में that ends with y, जो y से end हो रहे हो. जैसे heavy का heavily, y लगा दिया, right? ly is added to those adjectives which ends with le. जैसे simple में y लगा दिया आपने normally. तो adverb of time basically shows when वाले words कि कब हुआ है. You just look at some commonly used adverb of time. जैसे I eat after brushing my teeth. brush करने के बाद ही मैं खाती हूँ. I get up early in the morning. I will do my homework later. बाद में I'll do my homework. I reached home before my mom. My mom से आने से पहले मैंने पहले ही आ गई हूँ. I met my uncle yesterday. और मैंने अंकल से वापस कल मिली थी. Adverb of place basically tells where words कि कहाँ पे आप थे. Just look at some commonly used adverb of places. It is snowing outside. बाहर क्या हो रही है? Snow. Karan is waiting inside. Karan of course अंदर wait कर रहा है. I am not going away. I'm not going from here. And a cat is near the sofa. Sofa के पास है. Where is the cat? Cat is near the sofa. So there is a short recap. The words which add something to the meaning of verbs उनको हम बोलते हैं adverbs, and we can make adverbs by adding ly, ily, and of course simple y. You just move on to exercises. First we'll be circling the adverbs in the following sentences. He works steadily every day. Steadily means slowly और यही है steadily, right? They study for long hour tirelessly. बिना थके पढ़ाई करी. Engineers must act skillfully, right? She tries to perform this experiment correctly and we successfully completed our mission. We listen excitedly to the adventurous story. You have to fill in the blanks with the suitable adverb of time. अच्छा, we have to fill in the blanks with suitable adverb of time. We went to our friend at night. आपको कुछ भी भरना है यहाँ पे, right? We have a dinner tonight, right? Will you fix this lamp now? क्या आप इसको अभी कर सकते हैं? You could have missed the class if you had come late. अगर आप लेट आए तो आप you will finish your work today. You have to fill in the blanks with using place. My friend lives far from the city. दूर रहता है वो. The dog is barking at the house. She danced skillfully. The naughty boy was sleeping in the class. You have to underline the adverbs. I answer the questions easily. मैंने answer तो किए हैं but कैसे किए? Easily. She entered the house calmly. He speaks Urdu well. Mrs. Smith drives carefully. The girl writes neatly. Sanjay is waiting there for her. वहाँ पे wait कर रहा है. कहाँ wait कर रहा है? There. My mother loves me dearly. बहुत प्यार करती है. The play will begin now. The men shouted loudly. He is standing outside. Right? You have to underline when. I met my uncle yesterday. कब मिला था? Yesterday. He will play the match tomorrow. कल खेलेगा. It is a very foggy today. आज. The sun is rising now. We were busy then. We will have a dance class today. आज. Meenu gets up early, right? Some students they came late. Of course, I was sleeping then and the teacher will come soon, right? So that was all about adverbs. Please do revise it and keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.